Hi guys, so in this video you're going to see the way everybody who comes to an event first time to people that repeat and attend events again, particularly the young ones. I mean, you're going to see some incredible people from, like I said, first time attendees to people who've been here and come back over and over. I love to hear about why they come back because it's very inspiring. Thirdly, the people that bring, the parents that bring their children, it's incredible, and I really want you to watch that because I think that's how parents should be treating events like this. You know, it's a learning opportunity, something that schools do not teach. So I love you to watch their story and see what you think.
My name's Layla. My name's Oliver and I'm 10 years old. I'm 14 years old and we learnt about this event from my mother. And a lot of these things we've learned from this event, we don't learn this type of stuff in school, so it's really good to know about.
My name's Paul, it's my first time here, Fortune Academy. I found out about the event through LinkedIn and also a referral. Someone's been to a similar type event previously. Said it was certainly worth investing the time, half a day, whatever it may be. And it's just an insight into, I suppose, life coaching, career coaching, and coaching just generally in terms of being successful and entrepreneurial as well. Would I recommend it to anyone? I recommend it to everybody. It's an eye-opener, especially if you feel that you are a student of life.
My name is Marina and I found out about the event through Eventbrite. I was actually looking for some information where I could learn more about Forex. And that's how I found out. I came in and so far so good. I'm really excited. I've actually started learning about Forex a while back, and the information I'm getting here is improving my knowledge. I found out a few more things that I didn't know before, so I'm looking forward to the next part of the event after lunch.
We just had a VIP session and we've had people from Dallas, Texas, we've had South Africa, Dubai, and where else was it? France. So we've had a really international group. I am absolutely astounded with their commitment level. They flew over, especially for this event, and ultimately they're just taken so much. So far we've covered a massive amount of mindset and training psychology, and they've all said that no one covers it to the emotional intelligence level that I do, which is a real great honor to have said, and they loved it. They absolutely were given the tools to be successful in any field. It's not just Forex. Forex is going to always be the hardest thing that you will do in your life, but once they've mastered that mindset behind successful trading and financial and just being a good Forex trader, then they know they've got the tools to be good at anything. So that was really, really fun to learn from them and tell them in so many other ways that I didn't realize was possible. So I love these sessions, really, really worth the time and effort. So thank you guys, you know who you are, really enjoyed working with you. And of course, everyone, there was 10 of us in this room, we all had a great time. Every single individual was valuable. We had some in the military that were here and currently in the military, in the forces, and I love the mindset of that because it can go two ways. You can either go spiral downwards because it's such a stressful environment, or you can push yourself forwards as this gentleman did as he came here and is currently in the forces, and it's a real great honor to have someone like that here. So thank you all, you guys were great, and I hope to see you guys soon.
So the reason I've come here today is because I've been in the internet marketing industry for the last 3 years now, and so I've made some money there, and I'm now looking at investing into other avenues of income. So Forex was something that I've always been interested in, and I've sort of followed Heather online and seen that she's done really well, and you know, her background sort of resonated with me. So I've invested into a new launch into another Forex company. However, I'm totally sort of like a virgin into Forex. So I thought, why don't, you know, since she's based locally in London and I live in London, I wanted to sort of come in here and really sort of like get an insight into Forex. So this is why I'm here today. And I like what she does. I like how she starts about the grassroots of, you know, your wealth mindset, because that's something I'm very passionate about as well. Because being in the industry for a while, in the internet, the online industry, a lot of people come in with the get-rich-quick mentality and often fail because they haven't worked on their mindset. So that's why I love what she does, which I think is great.
Absolutely. So I was a student who, I came for a course 2 years ago, did a 3-day training course. It was a fantastic experience. And then I went straight into trading after the course. Literally about 2 weeks after taking the course, started to do the trade, trusted the system, followed the rules, and I got great results from it. And it was just so random that I was coming from work recently, last week. I met yourself, Eva and George, and I couldn't find the words to express my gratitude to the life skill that Eva's actually given me. And I think maybe it's just the laws of attraction at work, but I think it was the right time to run into Eva again and then be back in this environment with people of the same mind frame. And it's just benefited me just being in this environment again. So I had a quick little word with Gareth. We went over my notes, and it was interesting to find that he said, "Yep, no, your understanding, your notes is spot on. You're on the right track." So it's just fantastic to see that. Attended a class, took the notes over 2 years ago, and the strategy still works. And the one thing that I could say from this entire experience. For me, I work in the financial industry. I have colleagues who come to me with their own Forex trading strategies. I've heard this, I've heard that, and we'd have a little discussion, and then I'll say, how's your risk management working for you? And they have no idea as to what they're exposed to lose, whether it be over the next month, over the next 6 months, and I could tell them, I know exactly what I stand to lose. The only thing I don't know is what I stand to gain, because it's infinite. So that is what I really value about this whole experience. You can learn all the strategies in the world, but risk management is so important, and it's what's given me the assurance to do what I do. I would say this one thing as well. When I came to the course, I probably didn't have the right mindset. I thought Forex trading, previously, when I first came to experiencing this whole process, I thought to myself, Forex trading, there's got to be a catch in there somewhere. And Eva went through everything, and she said, you may not understand the strategies on the first day, you may not get it on the second day, but the third day it will click. And that's exactly what happened to me, and I left reassured, and I would highly recommend this to anybody. It's a life skill. I love the job that I do, but if my boss was to tell me you are no longer needed by a company, it will be a bit of a shock, but I know that I will be fine because of this life skill that she's given me, and that's why I couldn't quite find the words to express my gratitude. And of course, I don't intend to work for the rest of my life, so it's nice to have these life skills, and that's just words can't describe. So I just want to really say thank you to Eva. Thank you to everybody that's involved with Fortune Academy. Gareth took out his time just to go over a few strategies with me, which is really appreciated. But it's just reinforced that belief in me that I am on the right track, because he said your notes are spot on. So he was really good person to speak to. Yeah, very reassuring. So just thoroughly enjoyed today.
Brilliant.
Great environment to be in.
Slide this way if you're trying to see results. Active, get active, they can't match this. I got ambition, I'm driven. Hither man got the vision. Stay woke. If you're trying to win, you should listen. If you're trying to win, you should listen. Stay woke. If you're trying to win, you should listen. If you're trying to win, you should listen. Stay woke.